Solutions video YouTube channel. Today we are going to go over something that you can harvest during the winter, and it's something that I use in a lot of my products, and it's something that you can use too. It is cottonwood buds, also known as Populus balsamerificae. Alright, so also known as poplar. I call it the popular poplar bud because that's what it is. Some people call it the balm of Gilead because it has similar properties to an actual tree called the balm of Gilead, which uses the buds that are resinous in a way that's similar to the cottonwood. So I'm going to be showing you what it looks like and how you can harvest them. It's pretty simple. Now there are some people who will say that you should only harvest it when it's about to leaf, or you know the leaves are about to come out of the buds. The resin is really strong and it's really sticky, and I haven't noticed a difference between harvesting it at that time versus now in the middle of winter. So let's see if I can get this in focus. This is what it looks like. It's very easy to distinguish in the winter from any of the other trees because the buds are so big. And all you do is you just pop it off. And ta-da! I have a bud. Now, as it does get closer to spring, it is harder to distinguish between this and the alders. But you know what, the best way to tell the difference is if you smell it. Now obviously you can't smell it, but if you go out and you smell it, it has a very distinct smell. But in the middle of winter, it's pretty big. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. A part of harvesting is to harvest sustainably. So if you're going to do it, you can do it from saplings. Like I have a bunch of saplings in my yard, and so I just cut it down to keep down on the population, but there are some bigger ones that I have, and let's go over here and I'll show you what that looks like. So I have some bigger ones over here, right here. Woo! Snow's deep. And so in that case, I'll just cut off the branches. And if you're going to cut off the branches and harvest it from the branches, make sure that you do it on either side so that the tree doesn't get too heavy on one side, because I'll show you what happens when it gets too heavy on one side. This is what it looks like when a tree only has branches on one side. It's a little bit difficult to see, but you can see right there is a break in it, because for some reason, I think it has to do with the tree that's growing right next to it. It has no branches on that side, or rather only one branch towards the base, lower towards the base. And so you want to harvest responsibly and do it on either side so that as the tree grows, it doesn't fall over to one side because it is too heavy. Make with poplar buds. I make a salve out of it, the popular poplar balm. Other people, like I said, call it the balm of Gilead. And you can find descriptions and links below on how you can do that too, as well as links to other videos. Or just, I think I'll put a video right here showing you how to do that. You can make oils instead of going through the whole process of making a balm. Anyways, some of the properties: it's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial or antiseptic. Anyways, it kills germs. I like to use it on pimples before they become whiteheads. If it's whiteheads, I have to use something else afterwards. But it helps the pimples go away. You can use it on sore muscles. You can use it on, what else can you use it on? Basically anything that has to do with inflammation. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel better naturally the Alaskan way. Have a good day.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please like it and subscribe, as well as ring that bell so that you can get notifications when the next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a wonderful day and feel better naturally the Alaskan way.